Well, it is Saturday, and I've kind of lost count of what day of the transformation this is. As you know, I am preparing my property for sale. After 8 years of gardening and loving this garden, I am going to have to move on. And Eric is on the way, and another one of my garden angels, Vanita, we call her V, is coming today as well. And this is the last day. If you've ever sold a house, you know that there is a day when photographers come and photograph. And that's happening on Tuesday. And this is the last day that we can spruce up the garden and make the property around the house look great. I think I hear him out front, so let's get started with what's left to do. One of the things I have to do today, unfortunately, is cut back my African blue basil behind me. It is the #1 choice of bees in my garden. As it grows, it gets tall and all of the flowers are on the top, and they will drape over and face the sun, which is that direction, in winter. So when you walk into the house, you see a bunch of dead sticks coming this way. So it's really hard to get a good photo of the house with this here. So the bees are not going to be very happy with me today. Leave it. Yeah, just the plant. After doing all of that, I have told Eric just to take it out because it looks bad.
I try to save it, put it in Malibu.
Okay, great.
Okay.
Yeah.
I take a picture if you survive.
Good. Thank you.
For you. Okay. That's temporary.
Yeah. Maybe it'll survive, and Eric's going to take it to Malibu.
Yeah.
Great.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Looking good.
Yeah. Awesome.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. That's a nice one. I'm going to take my Oyas with me, and there are plenty of people I could sell or give them to. So this is the 1 gallon size, and this has been helping to feed the roots of, are those fig roots?
See the fig root?
So the fig tree has totally invaded this raised bed as well. So this is your challenge when you have a crowded garden and you have fruit trees.
You do it? Well.
Wow.
Nice.
Awesome. Thank you.
See the rook and the bar? See the rook?
The roots just circle.
Around the la olla.
Yeah.
Here because it's growing here.
Yeah,
Here.
that's what I think too.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Now let's save that and see if we can root it.
I don't know. There's fruit here.
I know, well,
There's maybe that.
it's no good. But you might be able to root it.
Leave it this or cut it?
I don't know because there's 3 figs there and I'd like to keep those. We can always cut it later. Will it support itself without the
Take the lid out.
Okay. If they look bad, take them
Okay.
off.
That's good.
Will the branch support itself without the stake? I want the stake out.
Yeah. Easy.
Great.
Easy.
Perfect. Excellent.
You stay for a few. It's easy to cut it.
Okay, good. Look what I found. Ah, one last one. Look at all this mycelium in the wood chips. Wow, look at that. Okay, what this is the last bag of our wood chips that we got in 2016, was it? And
2 years.
I, at least 2 years, 3 years, had it in a plastic bag, couldn't use it all. And look how beautiful this compost is now. It's just been in a plastic bag for 2 years, right? 3 years?
Yes.
Wow. So we're going to put it all around the African blue basil and hopefully it'll sprout again. Because what happens with African blue basil, it gets too tall and everything underneath it is dead. And so when you cut it back, it looks awful. So what we wanted to do is I wanted to leave something here, a little area. Go ahead, Eric, you can distribute that. And I wanted to leave something here so that, you know, something can come back. And so what we're going to do is distribute this compost and hopefully it'll give the African blue basil a boost. Tell you what, Eric, let's keep the rest of that on the side and hand me the, is there an open bag of the walk-on bar? Do another row. And then what we'll do is we'll put bark on top of that. All along here. Do you want to cut these here, or you want to cut them in the front yard?
No, cut it over here.
Okay. I'm gonna wait to get another one underneath. But are you gonna put them in the black bin or the green bin? What about this big stump? That one. We need to throw that away. Yeah. Somebody. No. This stump.
You want that?
Yeah.
It's a little cleaner.
That's okay. She can worry about that. That's 8.
This is the last one.
Okay. Okay, are you sure you want to put her in the trash though? Put her across the street.
How much? 50%?
Let's see.
You need to cut it.
This thing is almost.
It fall low.
I know, I'll hold it. I don't have any
Look,
nails.
there's my toolbox.
Oh, okay. You brought your toolbox?
Oh, I should probably show Kathy where I want to put this anyway.
I think it's great. Let me get my
Kathy, without your supervision. I found a great place to put this. It'll go to a good home.
All of this. Ah. Things are so lightweight, they always just fly everywhere. At the mess across the hall. Do we have a broom anywhere? Thanks so much for watching this channel, liking my videos, and especially sharing them with your friends. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. See you next time. If you enjoyed this video, please watch these. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you in the next video.